Welcome back to all you wonderful people. This is Learn Kannada series Quick Bite 6. In this series, you will learn possessive pronouns in Kannada. Part 2. Example: his, avanadu; hers, avaladu; theirs, avaradu. Example: say the guy had breakfast, you will say he had his breakfast. In Kannada, you will say avanadu tindi aitu. Avanadu means his, tindi is breakfast, aitu means is completed. Avanadu tindi aitu. Very easy. His photo is here. You want to say some guy's photo is here. You can say avanadu photo illi ide. Photo is nothing but bhavachitra in Kannada. Avanadu bhavachitra illi ide. Avanadu photo illi ide. Avanadu bhavachitra ille ide. So basically addressing guys, the boys or male, you can say avanadu. Avanadu mane ide. Avanadu bike ide. Avanadu flat ide. It's very easy. Say avanadu photo illi ide. So if a friend received his card, you can say avanadu card bandide. Avanadu ID bandide. Bandide means it has arrived. He has received it, so you can say avanadu card bandide. Or his exams are over, you can say avanadu parikshe mugiyitu. Parikshe is exam. Mugiyitu means completed or finished or over. His exams are over, you can say avanadu parikshe mugiyitu. Very simple. So how do you address girls or ladies? Avaladu. Remember, this is without respect, singular. Avaladu. We'll see how do you address people with respect or plural. But here it is singular. Avaladu. She has completed her degree. Avaladu padavi purtiyagide. Avaladu degree purtiyagide. Padavi is degree. Purti means complete. Agide means happened. Avaladu degree purtiyagide. You can repeat after me. Avaladu degree purti agide. Or you want to say her saree is very nice, you can compliment by saying avaladu sire tumba chanagide. Sire is saree, tumba is very, chanagide means nice. Avaladu sire tumba chanagide. So basically you will use avaladu for your friends or people, girls younger to you. Avaladu, it's without respect. She lost her chain. Avaladu sara kaledu hogide. Sara is chain. Sara kaledu means lost. Hogide means happened. Avaladu sara kaledu hogide. She lost something. You can say avaladu bike kaledu hogide. Avaladu purse kaledu hogide. Or avaladu sara kaledu, not kaledu. You have to pronounce it as kaledu. Touch the tongue at the upper portion of your mouth. Kaledu hogide. Kaledu hogide. What is her name? Avaladu hesaru enu. Hesaru means name. Enu means what? Enu, what? Avaladu hesaru enu. Avaladu hesaru enu. So you want to address somebody with respect, or there are many people and you want to address in plural, you can say avaradu. Remember previously you learned avanadu for guys, and for girls you learned avaladu. Here it is avaradu. Either you are giving respect to one person or elderly people, or you are addressing to multiple people. Example, they have dance competition. ಅವರದು ನೃತ್ಯ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ಇದೆ. Nrutya is dance, spardhe is competition. Ide means it is there. Or you can say avaradu dance competition ide. Avaradu exams ide. Avaradu nrutya spardhe ide. Ide means it is there. Avaradu means plural with respect multiple people or elderly people. Did they take their meals? Avaradu uta aita. Meals is uta. Aita means questioning, is it done? Is it over? Avaradu uta aita. Avaradu uta aita. Aita or aita. Avaradu uta aita. Avaradu uta aita. Some more example, they finished their work. Avaradu ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಯಿತು. Avaradu ಕೆಲಸ means work, ಮುಗಿಯಿತು means finished. Avaradu ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಯಿತು. Avaradu, you can repeat after me. Avaradu ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಯಿತು. Avaradu ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಯಿತು. Yes, avaradu ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಯಿತು. Another example, their play was very good. Play is nataka. Nataka in Kannada. Avaradu ನಾಟಕ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅವರದು ನಾಟಕ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು means very good. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು means very good. ಅವರದು ನಾಟಕ means play. ಅವರದು ನಾಟಕ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. Or you can say ಅವರದು ಹಾಡು means song ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅವರದು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅವರ ಮನೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. Like this you can say avaradu something and then you can say ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. Fantastic, amazing, awesome guys. You have learned a lot in Kannada. Check your Kannada knowledge here. Here is the Kannada question of the day. ಅವನದು ಬೈಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಅವನದು ಬೈಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಅವರದು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವರದು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. Friends, hope you liked this video as well. Please like and subscribe. You can check out more and more videos. The links are given below in the description. It is youtube.com/c/kannadamagic. Thanks for all your support.